Mark the injury. Spray on REMA Pre-Buff Cleaner. Scrape away contaminants. Ream the injury. Insert the REMA stem into the injured channel and pull it through with pliers. Trim the excess stem on the inside of the tire only. Use the correct repair unit template to mark the area to be buffed on the inside of the tire. Buff the repair area. Remove all debris. Apply a thin, even coat of the cement to the buffed area. Let the cement air dry. Install the universal repair unit. Stitch thoroughly. Apply REMA Tip-Top Repair Sealer. And trim stem.
Follow the steps carefully to ensure a safe and secure ride.